Hey guys, today's video is going to be my October Boxycharm unboxing. October, holy crapoli, October. Two of my kids actually have birthdays this week. So that's crazy. Next weekend we are literally having a birthday party on Saturday and then a birthday party on Sunday. Lots of cake and cupcakes to be eaten next weekend. If you don't know what it is, you've been living under a rock. It is seriously the best beauty subscription service there is. I've been getting it for 6 years now. I will link my Boxycharm playlist down below as well as the Boxycharm website if you want to sign up. Here is the October box. You guys always ask me how much it weighs. I don't know. I checked my email. I couldn't find it in the email. So I don't know. Okay, the theme for this month is candy shop. I'll take you to the candy shop. You know that 50 Cent song? No, you shouldn't know that song. It's a dirty song. Okay, I got variation 22. Okay, first thing in the box is from Luxy brushes. How cute is this little case with a rose gold zipper? So yeah, this is the Wanderlust set. Retails for $40. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. Again, this case is super cute. And then the brushes look like this. I feel like I've gotten this set before. Oh, they might be over there. I think I have these brushes already. But they're really pretty rose gold and like violet. Pretty. Next thing in the box are some false lashes from Lava Lashes. This is the Charm Faux Mink Lashes. Retails for $19.99. Lightweight and fluffy handcrafted luxury lashes. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. So they look like. Very nice. $20 though for a pair of lashes. Woo! So my favorite lashes are the Kiss. Actually, I'm wearing my last pair today. The Kiss number 11 lashes. I get 5 pairs for $8.88 at Walmart, and I reuse these pairs. Like I clean them after I take them off, so I'm able to reuse them a bunch of times. Yeah, these are nice. The band on them is a little bit thicker. Not really what I like. These lashes have like a nice thin band, so it's super easy to apply. But I mean, they're really pretty. I'll definitely wear them. Okay, next thing in the box is from Dose of Colors. This is the Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. I got the color Fair. This retails for $24. It's a multitasking full coverage concealer that has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. All right, let's see. Fair. I think it's going to be, oh yeah, that's way too light for me. So I'm gonna definitely give this away to someone. That's a bummer because I really wanted to try that. All right, moving on. What are you? So from Sol de Janeiro, this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter. This retails for $20. It's a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Cupuaçu, am I saying that right? Cupuaçu butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with a scrumptious aroma of dolce de leche. Dolce de leche. I can't read. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's rose gold. I like it. I love the autofocus on this camera too. Ooh, I'm loving it. Ooh. Ooh. Smells like a dessert. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Look how fast that autofocused. Craziness. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, it's super buttery too. I'm excited for this. Woo! And the packaging is so cute. I love it. Ah! Last thing, as always, is a palette from Ciate London. This is the Editor palette, New England. New England. I live in New England. Did they know? Did they plan that? This retails for $32. It says inspired by New England in the fall, which it is right now, and it is gorgeous. We actually did a lot of driving yesterday and today, and like driving on the highway, it was crazy. The leaves are beautiful. They're like yellow and orange and red and just so pretty. Anyway, it features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richly pigmented in autumnal hues. All right, let's check it out. Cute packaging. Let's see if I can open it. Ooh, big mirror. I like that. Ooh, these are pretty. Yes. Yes, oh my gosh, those colors are so pretty. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my October Boxycharm. I am super excited for this palette. Really, really pretty colors. I'm definitely excited for this lip balm. This, I'm a little bummed because it's a little light for me. I mean, I'll try it. I think it's a little light. The lashes, I will definitely try out. Again, the band is a little thick for my liking. Definitely these brushes, can always use more brushes. And actually, I might use this little case like in my purse. I don't know, this case is just so cute. I love the rose gold and the black. I could put like lip balms in here. Ooh. Okay, so that is it for my October Boxycharm unboxing. Like I said, I will link my Boxycharm playlist down below, as well as a link to sign up for Boxycharm. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.